Good afternoon, student. Today we are going to discuss about what is map. Map is a flat drawing of the earth or part of the earth. A map can show you the whole world at one time. At the same time, with the help of map, you can see the whole world. There are several type of map. Next, you will study about the different types of map. Each map shows the different information. So, to understand the different types of map, you have to learn the symbols, conventional symbols, and a map language. So here there are different type of map, and each type of map gives a different type of information. So each map has a compass or a cardinal direction. Cardinal direction here, see this one, that is north, south, east, west. So this is cardinal direction. Each map in that they will show the direction of the map. So next here, what is the difference between map and globe? So here first map, it is a two-dimensional representation of a certain region of the world. Map there are in the different size, you already know that they can be small or large. A wall map gives us detailed information. Along with that, a book of map is called atlas. Many of you, if you have elder brother, you know that the high school children, they uses the uh, atlas. What is atlas? Atlas is a book of map. So here, difference between the globe and map. Globe is the three-dimensional representation of the whole world. So here, what is difference? Map, it is a two-dimensional view of the world. In this globe is three-dimensional view of the world. And this, it is a map, it is easy to use and very portable. You can carry anywhere. Map you can carry anywhere. But globe, it is not easy to use and harder to carry around. So it is difficult to carry the globe. Now children, next is what? Sketch. What is a sketch? You know, sketch is the rough drawing of a place. It gives it gives us rough information. That is, it is based on the memory or observation and give some important landmark. So children, here this you can see that this is the sketch of a marriage hall. You know that when people invite you for the function or marriage, behind that invitation there will be a sketch. Here in this image you can see that sketch, invitation sketch. How here you can see with orange I circled that is a function hall. So these are the different route how you are able to attain that function hall. So sketch, it is a rough drawing of a place. So now here there are different types of map you can see. So map of the state may show the rivers, mountain, temperature, rainfall. So different maps are there. It is difficult to see the whole uh, parts of the India. So here we have different types of map, that is physical map, political map and thematic map. So first one, it is the physical map. You can see that this map, this is the physical map. It shows natural features of the earth such as mountain, plateaus, plain, river, ocean. So this physical map, what it show? It is showing the different rivers. Where is Yamuna, Ganga river, and all the places rivers. See here, Ganga, Betwa, so Mahanadi, Godavari, Bhima, Krishna. So this is a physical map. This map is showing the rivers. Along with that, same way plateaus, plains, oceans. So these all have the different type of maps. Next is the political map. This is what? Political map. So this, it shows the boundaries of the cities, towns, villages, countries and states of the world. Here you can see that state boundaries. Children, here this one you can see here with red box, that is country or capital. Here with the black spot, that is capitals. So state boundary with the white line and brown boundary with the international. So maroon color you can see that. So here near the Nepal different color boundary color is there. Near the Madhya Pradesh white color boundary is there. So red color Delhi, see here, Delhi is the capital with the red box. The same symbol you can see here. And all the state they have capital, that is Maharashtra capital is Mumbai, and here Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal. Like that, this is a political map. Political map gives us information about the, what is that? It gives us information: town, city, village, states and world, boundaries of the states and boundaries of the world. So next is what? A thematic map. Thematic map, it focus on the particular information like roads, population and park. Here this map will give you information about the park. One more example, what is a road? For road there will be different map. To show the population there will be a different map. But this map, this is a thematic map. This map is giving only information about the park. See here, different parks are there. What is that here? Sanjay Gandhi National Park. Then here Bandipur National Park. So Indira Gandhi National Park. All the national park information you are going to get in this map. In which map? Thematic map. Like this, road map will be come under the thematic map, and population also in thematic map. It is very important to know the language of the map, to understand, to read or to interrupt any map. You should know the language of the map. Thank you.